How to get rid of wild morning glories. Morning glories are long, green vines that produce deep purple and white flower blossoms shaped like a trumpet. Although homeowners purchase morning glories to plant, they also grow wild. Over time, wild morning glories can overtake the landscape and become a nuisance. In these cases, it's best to get rid of the plants. The only way to get rid of wild morning glory is to use a non-selective herbicide. Hand weeding typically is not effective since any part of the root left in the ground will regrow. If you break the roots, each section will sprout into a plant. Things you'll need: bucket or cup, herbicide with glyphosate, disposable gloves, sponge paintbrush. Open a bottle of herbicide that contains glyphosate as the main ingredient. Pour some of the herbicide into a cup or a bucket if you have a large infestation of wild morning glories. Put on disposable gloves and dip a sponge paintbrush into the herbicide solution until the sponge is saturated. Apply the herbicide to all exposed stems and leaves of the vines until they are wet and shiny. Repeat the process on each and every vine. Wait for the amount of time indicated on the herbicide bottle and examine the vines to ensure they are dead. If necessary, retreat any green areas of the morning glory vines with the herbicide. If the wild morning glories are in an area without other vegetation, spray the herbicide on them instead of painting it on. Glyphosate will kill anything it touches. Tips: warnings. Wait until the fall or late spring when temperatures are moderate. These times of the year wild morning glory vines absorb more nutrients and are more susceptible to the herbicide.